The Psinj 342 was a Polish wheeled artillery tractor designed to tow 75mm anti-aircraft guns. It was supposed to replace the C4P tractor used so far in this role. That's why it's also known under the name of C5P tractor. The name Psinj comes from the abbreviation of Państwowe Zakłady Inżynierii, National Engineering Works, which manufactured those vehicles. The idea for four-wheel artillery tractors was born in Poland as a result of testing of foreign models, such as the Belgian FN63C/4RM. The Psinj 342 was created on the basis of the experience gained during the work on a similar but over-engineered Psinj 312 tractor. The requirements of the Polish military changed, and so the equipment also had to change. The first model of the new tractor was made in December 1937. It was a four-wheel drive tractor for towing trailers with a total weight of 5 tons. It also received new improved tires and a new cabin. The brake acted on all four wheels. The most important feature, however, that distinguished the Psinj 312 and Psinj 342 tractors was a different suspension. In the case of the former, independent suspension was used, while the latter had rigid axle suspension. Psinj 342 received the Psinj 725 engine, 6-cylinder, carburetor type, water-cooled, with 95 horsepower at 2,800 rpm. It allowed the vehicle to reach 60 km per hour on the road. The 180 liters fuel tank was sufficient for approximately 500 kilometers. During the tests, the Psinj 342 proved to be quite good. The demand for it in the Polish army was huge. Unfortunately, the Polish industry couldn't keep up with the production, and by August 1st, 1949, only 5 test models had been assembled. It was planned to produce about 200 tractors by June 1st, 1941. On the basis of the Psinj 342, a slightly smaller tractor was created, the Psinj 343, intended for towing 40mm anti-aircraft guns. Ultimately, the Psinj 342 was never used in combat, but after the war, engineers designed new Polish trucks using the solutions taken from it. An example can be the first models of the Polish Star truck, Star 20, 21, 25 and 27. That's all I wanted to tell you in today's short episode dedicated to the Polish World War II artillery tractor Psinj 342. Maybe I'll cover more of these vehicles in the future episodes. Tell me, what do you think? If you're interested, don't forget to subscribe, rate the video and share it with your friends. See ya!